One of the most common questions we get is, how much is this going to cost? And like everything else, it depends. Are we going through insurance? Are we paying cash? How many upgrades do you have? Are we doing gutters? Are we doing interior? The scope of work has a lot to do with it. But if it's an insurance claim, then the most you're out of pocket would be your deductible, and that's not counting upgrades or any extra work you want to do or anything like that. The quick answer is your deductible. More long answer or more evolved answer is upgrades are you responsible for. Any things that your policy does not cover specifically. There's a lot of exclusions on these policies because providers are trying to make these policies as cheap as possible so they don't lose customers. And the way they're doing that is by putting these homeowners in exclusion riders like metal, code upgrade. Wind and hail is a higher deductible than the dwelling. And so you got to watch all these things. Talk to your insurance agent, have them walk it through. Hey, if something happens, then what am I responsible for? How much money will I be out of pocket? For example, if this was a 1% dwelling and a 2% wind and hail, if we have a wind and hail event, then they're responsible for 2% of the estimated value of the dwelling. If they have their house burned down, then they're responsible for 1% of the estimated value of the dwelling. And so it gets a little confusing in there. So talk to your insurance agent, have them explain, hey, worst case, best case scenario. My house burns down, gets ripped up by a tornado. How much am I responsible for? Best case, minor instance, and they should be able to walk you through it. If they can't, then you probably need to find a new insurance agent that can really walk you through your policy and let you know what you're responsible for and what you're not responsible for. Give me a call. We do insurance, we do cash, if you want to pay by point, take that. I've never done that, but I'll figure it out. Give me a call, 817-707-2368 or David at TexasSelectConstruction.com.